Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to add links on our YouTube channel. Let's get started. Firstly, we can go ahead to our mobile browser and we can type in there youtube.com. So once we are here, we can go ahead and click the three dots here and we are going to scroll up and we are just going to click here request desktop site. So once done, this is now how it will look like on our screen. So what we need to do then is to click our profile icon. And right after that, we're going to click here, your channel. And once we are here, we can go ahead and click customize channel. And basically, we will just be waiting for this one to load. And once we are here, we notice layout, branding, and basic info. So we're going to click here, basic info. And if you notice on our screen, we have here, add link. We're going to click this. And basically, we can now add links on our YouTube then. So just like for example, if we are going to add Instagram, we can just simply type in Instagram. And we can paste here the URL. So just like for example, we have here. So by the way, if you don't know your URL, I have another tutorial regarding that map. So you can just see that one on my YouTube channel then. So once everything is set, you can go ahead and click done. And right after, we can click publish. We're going to click that. So with that, the publishing is done. So that particular link is already added on our YouTube channel. So there you have it. That's how we are going to add links on our YouTube channel. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.